time to go to class. Class is gonna be so boring today. Time to watch a funny Vine on my phone. I hope Mrs. Smith doesn't notice. Guess I have to put it away. This is so boring. At least I have my music. I really hope she doesn't notice. Uh-oh, my headphones! I have an idea. First, take your paper and cut it. You'll need a marker and some tape. Then, draw details. Then take your tape and take the fake ear and replace it over your headphones. Your teacher won't know the difference.
Huh?
Mrs. Smith is always eating in class. Ugh, I'm so hungry. Oh, I have an idea. First, take your glue stick and remove the glue. Make sure it's clean. Then put your snack in the glue stick. Watch as your friend gets caught, but you won't because you got the perfect disguise for a snack. Time to eat. So good. Miss Smith is handing out grades. I hope I got an A. An F, my parents won't be happy. I have an idea. Watch as I turn an F into an A+. Make sure to help your friend because they're not smart either. Miss Smith is always being so mean. Luckily, she has to go to the bathroom. I have an idea. First, you're gonna grab her Stanley. Start by putting glue on the straw. Perfect. Now put it back. Make sure no one is looking. Then, watch as your teacher will come back, and after she'll try to drink from the straw, her lips will be stuck. It's the perfect prank to get back at your teacher.